We're going to discuss about how to start a successful YouTube channel. How do you go about it? Now, I know that you're intrigued and you see all these things that you see on YouTube. You see creators, you see channels, you see them crashing and making money. And you also want to do that. You also want to be just like them. You also want to do that. Maybe you're still in school, you're still in high school, and you really want to be a YouTuber. Maybe you're 40, you're 50. YouTube doesn't have age. YouTube doesn't have any age. You can be 70, you can still go on YouTube and speak your wisdom and speak to people, speak to the young ones and let them learn. But now I'm going to help you on how to start a successful YouTube channel for you to crush it and start speaking to people. Now, I'm not going to focus more about making money. I want you to focus more on delivering content. Many people are out there. They've got intelligence, they've got wisdom, they've got things to tell people, they've got stuff, they've got wisdom to tell other people. But now, simply because of the isolation, because of the lack of communication with other people out there, we don't get really to hear what elders have for us. We need this intelligence. But now, any age that you have, any on YouTube, you can start YouTube at any age. You can be 90, you still have something to sit in front of the camera and say. Now, how do you open and how do you start starting a successful YouTube channel requires nothing but your cell phone. Your cell phone is all you need now. Just take your cell phone, good cell phone. You don't even need a very good cell phone. As long as your cell phone can take an email, can take a video, a small little video, and you've got a little bit of gigabytes on your phone, internet, then you're good to go. You don't need a big background. You don't need a fancy studio. Just sit wherever you are and say what you're saying. Now, what makes a successful YouTube channel? Now, before you jump straight into making a successful YouTube channel, you need to understand exactly how to start a YouTube channel. Now, to open a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. You need a Gmail account. Do you have a Google account or a Gmail? What is your email? How do you receive emails? Now, you need a Gmail account. Then after that, after you go and open an account, your Gmail account, everything, you go to Google Chrome. On top there, you will see there is a Google Chrome icon there of your avatar or your profile picture. Go click on that, and then you say create an account. Create an account. After you create a Gmail account, then go to YouTube. Enter YouTube like as if you're going to view other people's videos. Click on any video, watch it, and then click on like it, try to like it or try to subscribe to it. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, YouTube will ask you if you want to create a YouTube channel, because you can't subscribe other creators, you can't subscribe on anybody's video if you don't have a YouTube channel. So say yes, then voila, you've got a YouTube channel for yourself. Now go ahead and customize your YouTube channel. I've got videos to show you how to customize and how to go about customizing. And now, before you start actually creating your video, before you start taking videos to upload them, now we need to look for a name for your channel. Now go to your avatar there. It will say customize and all of that stuff. Now, in order to change the name of the name of your YouTube channel, you need to change it in Google. Go in Google, click on that avatar there or your profile picture. It will take you straight into your personal privacy details. Go there and then change your YouTube there in Google. It's the only way. YouTube belongs to Google. So whatever that you want to change on YouTube has to be changed where? Whether it's a name, whether it's your profile picture, it has to be changed on Google. And then eventually, within a few minutes or few hours, depending on how big your channel is or how big your subscriber count is, then it will change automatically in YouTube. Now, start your YouTube channel, and then, but now before you go ahead and name your channel, we need to find a good name. Don't just name it anything. Don't just give it your name. Name it something that is searchable. Something, if you're into beauty, if you're into sport, if you're into fishing, if you're into gardening, if you're into farming, you need to know that you need to go and do your research. Do keyword research and search for names that are viral. Search for names that are going viral. Search for something that people are searching for. How do you find out that? Now, do your keyword research. Keyword research is very simple. Go on top of the search bar there, on top of YouTube search bar, where you type in whatever you're searching for. Type anything that comes into your mind, type it in there. And then when it pulls down a long list, then those are searchable words. Those are things, terms that people are searching for. Google, YouTube is basically telling you these are the things terms that people are searching for. Now go ahead and pick a name out of that. Don't pick a very long name. The shortest the name is, the better. The shortest, the better. Now, if you're into beauty and makeup and all that, name your channel beauty, makeup and beauty. Name it that. So because it's searchable. When people search on YouTube for it all over the world, your channel is gonna show up. So name your channel exactly that. Now, customize your channel, put a banner there on top, make it look good, take a nice profile picture and take it, but don't just take it as standing like a passport photo. Take it, be in action, just be shocked, have action. Take selfies, take a lot of selfies and choose one out of that. You can always crop it out and take out the background, remove the background, design it properly. I've got videos on how to design thumbnails, how to make thumbnails. I use PowerPoint, you don't need too much programs. Everyone's got PowerPoint on your computer. Use PowerPoint and then design a good avatar. Put it there and then make your channel look flashy. Next thing, put tags in your channel. Put tags in your channel. Channel tags, not the video tags, channel tags. Many people are running a YouTube channel, opening a YouTube channel, and all they do is just pumping it with videos. How will the algorithm find you? How will it find your channel if it doesn't have tags? Now, tags, the job of the tags is to direct, to tell YouTube what your channel is about or what your video is about. You need to explain to YouTube, you need to explain to the algorithm briefly, give it a brief idea of what your channel is about. Now, the tags explain to it exactly what you're on about. If you're into food, don't put tags for sport. If you're into sport, don't put tags for health. Now, just all the tags should be, like I said, when you search in the search bar there, the whole list that drops down, it's all such keywords that are related. Do you want to make a pie? How to make a pie at home, how to make a pie with carrots, how to make a pie in an oven, how to make a pie in an oven with blueberries, how to make a pie with they are all related. So you take all of them and put them in as tags. Next thing, make a good avatar, take a good profile. Now, YouTube loves when you put your own face on the profile picture there, on your channel's profile picture. Just they need to know that you are the one who's in the profile picture, you are the one in the avatar, in the art, and also in the channel art, you are the one there, and then also you are the one in the videos. Now, it needs to see you just to prove that it's you. It needs to see you everywhere they see on the thumbnails, that's you, on the everywhere, that's you. So now that's how you prepare your channel, a successful YouTube channel. Now start uploading your videos, start crushing it and make your videos, and then also put playlists. Many people don't know what playlists do, but take your videos and group them accordingly, put them into playlists, and then YouTube always promotes playlists also. The same way it promotes a video, it recommends a video, is the same way it recommends a playlist. So now the advantage is when you group a lot of videos and put them in you kind of like create a series. When someone dumps himself onto your video, then automatically the next one comes, the next one plays out of your playlist. So now you kind of like create this whole series. You keep people on the platform just watching your videos. So now that's the best way, that's the best first steps. There are many things to promote a YouTube channel and to make it successful and to get subscribers, but those are in other videos that I have. For this video, it's about how to start a successful YouTube channel. And in order for it to go viral and to be YouTube to favor you, algorithm to favor you, make sure that you use a good titles in your videos. The best titles, go and do your keyword research, and then tags, put in tags, always put in tags. Make a description under there in the description. Build a description around a phrase around these tags. Don't just take the tags and dump them in there. YouTube hates that. Create a phrase, a nice story, normal, natural, human story that revolves around those keywords, and then put them in your in your description. Also take the keyword, take the title, the whole title of your video, take it and put it in the description. So that title, also take it and it must be the first tag. Put it as the first tag in your tags when you're putting in your tags. So now your channel is optimized, your video is optimized, and you're ready to crush it and start getting views. If you really want to see more of the videos that I have on how to get subscribers from zero and how to get views and how to get all that, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom, touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I have for you. So keep crushing it, don't give up, keep crushing it and keep going, whether you're getting views or not. Love what you're doing, keep loving what you're doing, enjoy what you're doing, and someday the algorithm will favor you. See you later.